determine your actual margin. I mean, determine your current. Okay, so what is the result? You buy, now in this case, you buy 300 shares for 30,000 dong per share. So how much money you have to pay? What is the current market value of this share? The total value of the stock will be 300 multiply 30,000, right? So it's equal to
9 million.
Yeah, 9 million. Okay, it's 9 million. Now, the initial margin, the deposit initial margin is 50%. So how much money you should have? What is your initial margin?
45.
Initial margin will be 45, sorry, 4 million 500. Okay, and how about your debt? What is your debt?
4 million.
Yeah, 4,500,000. So your debt. Now, the next day, X price dropped to $25,000. So we have new price is 25, and the price decrease. The price decreased from 30 to 25. So it means your current margin will decrease. So now determine the current margin. You take the current value of the stock minus debt divided to the current value of the stock. Now, calculated is equal to 300 multiply 25,000 minus debt
4,500,000.
Yeah, 4,500,000 and divided to
300 multiply 25,000.
300 multiply 25,000. Okay, that's good. So what is the result here?
40%. 40%.
40%. Okay. So you see your initial margin is 50%, but now the stock price decreased, so your current margin is only 40%. It's decreased. It's decreased. Okay, now turn off your mic. Okay, make noise. Turn off your mic. I will mute all. It's noisy, right? If you want to answer my question, so you turn on your mic. If not, turn off. Okay, so you got it? We have the current margin is 40%. Any question here? It's easy, right? Any question here? No question. Okay, you should take note. if you don't, if you couldn't do the exercise, so take note. And you will redo it at home. Okay, so now we turn to the second exercise. Now this one, let's do it. Now in this case, you see, you are required to determine the stock price level. Would you receive a margin call? And we have information about the maintenance margin is 30%. You see, if your current margin is lower than maintenance margin, you will be, you will receive margin call. So in this exercise, you are required to determine the stock price level that you get a margin call. Okay, let's do it. Now, what is the price you will get the margin call? In this exercise, in this example, you see you buy 100 shares and the price is $50. So what is the total value of the stock? The total value of stock will be 100 multiply 50. So it will be 5,000. So what is your debt? The initial margin is 50%. So what is your debt? How much is your debt? 2,500. Okay, so it's your debt. Now the maintenance margin is 30%, and you are required to determine the price that you get a margin call. So we call this price is B. This one we call B. Okay, now you will write down the formula. The current margin equal to 100 minus multiply B minus 2,500 and divided to
on 100
100 multiply B.
equal
And it should be lower than 30. So you write down the formula is equal to 30 and find out the price. It's 0.3, not 30, because the maintenance margin is 30%. Okay, so now find out B. B equal to
35.7.
35.7 right?
Yes.
Okay, so it means if the price is smaller than $35.7, you will get the margin call. Okay, it's easy, right? Do you have any question here? In this case, if the price of the stock is smaller than $35.7, so you will receive the margin call. Okay, any question here?
No.
Okay, so now if you don't have any question here, I will turn to short sale. Come back to my slide. Sorry, come back to the whiteboard.